Let's take a look at this balcony yacht club stateroom on the MSC Meraviglia. We access with our bracelet. And this is a gorgeous stateroom. This is the main room. Much bigger than I think what most are used to. Vanity section here. Lots of storage below, 2 drawers there. Your mini bar is here. This comes stocked, everything's included, including that Toblerone. You get one, any more they charge you. These waters are included, and yes, that is a coffee maker. Everything you might need for cocktails and coffee in your room. There's for your Nespresso machine. Head back this way towards the door. You have some storage here before you get to the bathroom, double closet. And in the yacht club, you do get robes and slippers. And on the opposite side, you'll find a smaller closet, but there's where you'll find your safe. Just past the storage, you have this amazing bathroom, much larger than your typical, with upgraded bath amenities, rain shower head, and it's a walk-in shower. You don't have to worry about a lip. Absolutely stunning. Again, this is MSC Meraviglia. This is the Yacht Club, and this is a deluxe balcony suite. And as always, the best part of sailing in a balcony stateroom is the view. Now we're sailing from New York City, so you're not gonna get that beautiful Caribbean water, but you are gonna get a stunning view of the Statue of Liberty. And Lower Manhattan.